Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to discuss topics regarding your computer periodic test. So, let's discuss the limitation of computer. A computer is very useful, but it cannot replace human as it has certain limitations. That is, it cannot think on its own. It has to be guided or instructed by the user. It has no sentiments. It has only artificial intelligence. It cannot learn from the past experience. Next, it has no learning power. For each and every work, it needs to be configured. Now, let's discuss some of the characteristics of computer. First is speed. Computer works at a very high speed. It is much faster in comparison with human beings. A modern computer can process millions of instructions in a second. Its speed is measured in MIPS. The full form of MIPS is millions instructions per second. Next characteristic is versatility. Now, a computer can perform multiple kinds of jobs with different types of data and can produce information in different types like audio, video, text, etc. And can provide solution at different types of places like in schools, hospitals, etc. Next characteristic is accuracy. Computer is an accurate machine. It never makes mistakes and works exactly according to the instruction given to it. A modern computer has detection techniques also, through which errors can be detected and corrected easily. Next characteristic is diligence. Now, computer never gets tired and can work efficiently for hours at a stretch unless and until there is a technical fault. Next characteristic is high storage capacity. Now, computer has a very huge memory space. It can store huge amount of data which can be retrieved as and when required. It can store large amount of information in a very small space. Next is calculative. A computer can do any type of calculation, be it arithmetic or logical. Now let's discuss some of the input devices. This is keyboard. Keyboard helps us to give instruction to the computer. Next input device is mouse. Mouse also help as an input device. Next is joystick. It helps us to give instruction while playing games. Next one is scanner. Scanner is also an input device. It takes the image of a picture or the text and transform into digital image. The scan image gets stored in computer's memory for further use. Next is barcode reader. A barcode reader is used to read the barcodes. Such devices are often seen in billing counters of supermarkets and retail stores where they are used to scan products. Barcode for fetching the price and product detail. Now let's discuss some of the output devices. These are the types of monitor. First one is CRT monitor, that is cathode ray tube. Next is LCD. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. And the right hand side one is the LED light emitting diodes. These are the three types of output devices or example of a monitor. Output device is printer. Printer is commonly used as output device. It prints the result on the paper. It is used to obtain the hard copy of the results displayed on the screen. Now, note one thing, the information is in printed form on the paper or sheet is termed as hard copy. Let's discuss graphical user interface operating system. Now, few of the topics here are icons. The items on the desktop are in the form of small picture with their name. Such pictures are known as icon. Note, each icon represents a program or an application. Next is taskbar. Taskbar is a thin strip-like bar that lies at the bottom of the desktop. Note one thing, this taskbar contains notification area, quick launch toolbar or pin, date and time and start button. Next is Quick Launch Bar. Quick Launch Bar is a part of the taskbar that enables to use to execute in an application or program quickly. Note, Quick Launch Bar is renamed and popularly known as Pin. Now, a few of the steps to pin apps to the taskbar. Click on the arrow button, a list of apps will appear. Step 2, right click on the desired app to be pinned or shown on the taskbar. Step 3, click on the pin to taskbar option. Next is notification area. Notification area can be seen in the right side of the taskbar. Displays programs that are active or open in the background of Windows. Note, notification area is also known as system tray. Next is, let's discuss some common icons of notification area. First is sound or speaker. This icon looks like a speaker. It allows quick access to the computer's volume settings. Note, adjust the slider to increase or decrease the volume of the speaker. Next is network connection. If the computer is connected to the internet via a network cable through Wi-Fi, a monitor icon or cell phone network appears in the notification area. Now let's discuss some shortcut menus in Windows. Some common and frequently used options of shortcut menu in Windows are: first is view. It enables to view the size of icons in different size like large icons, medium icons, small icons, etc. Sort by. It helps to arrange the icons by name, size, item type and date modified. Next is refresh. It has to refresh or reorganize and arrange files, folders, etc. Next is new. It helps to create new folders, shortcuts, and files of almost all the application programs which are currently installed in the system. Next is personalize. It is used to set screensaver, desktop background, etc. Now, let us discuss some keyboard shortcuts. Now, F1, it displays above the general help in reference to active screen. F2, it helps to rename selected icon. Combination key with alternate key plus F4, it has to close or exit the open file or folder, program or application. Now, combination key with Alt plus Tab, it helps to switch to the application that were previously active but still open. Next combination keys is Windows key plus E. It helps to open my computer or this PC. Let us discuss some of the short notes from the chapter word processor. First is text. Typed letters, characters, numbers or special characters are known as text. Next is soft copy. Contents that are saved in the computer memory are said to be in a soft copy. Next is document. Text or contents kept in a file in an organized way is known as documents. Now let us discuss what do you understand by the term word processing package. A word processing package enables us to type text, make changes in the text and save the contents. Now, next question. What is insertion point? The blinking vertical line which looks like I in a document is known as the insertion point or cursor. Now students, we have discussed few of the topics of chapter 1, 2 and 3. You all will learn thoroughly chapter 1, 2 and 3 and prepare for your computer periodic test. All the best to all of you. Thank you.